we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of FLOWBREEZE Windowless Portable Air Conditioner. Consists of the following features. No window, exhaust needed, compact design for rooms without windows, bedroom, office, dorm. 3-speed cooling and 4 modes, cool, sleep, eco, natural modes adapt to any scenario. 7 hours timer and remote control, schedule cooling and adjust settings from across the room. Ultra quiet operation, less 40 decibels, distraction free for work, sleep, or meditation. 4 ice packs included, enhanced cooling efficiency in hot climates. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.